like there's a stupid bridge. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. I hate you. Bro.
Yo, sports goes carrying.
Oh, and no.
Strafe.
I just straight. I come over here. And Suchi just gets forward, bro.
Bill.
Days.
Arcus
Orange.
hated.
I ate it switches again.
Bro, you cannot do that in actual game, bro. I literally destroy you now. Man.
Yeah, cause you go low mid in actual game.
No, I don't. I literally watching PCs like this.
What are you talking about, Suchi?
How did you? Yo,
what the-
it's spot PvP, and
Oh,
he's
okay.
and he lost
Alright,
because of it. I think
alright,
you like
wrap it up.
lose
You
all
wrap it up,
momentum and you
wrap it up,
pro.
wrap it up.
No. That don't work.
Bro, it's so boring. Like,
It's kind of boring.
Come here, pussies.
he's lagging again.
Easy victory.
Oh,
Mine's
hell
more
no,
funny.
I'm so laggy.
Hey, they'll get real quick. He's just too busy raping a kid. Is that even allowed? Raping kids?
I mean,
Now you're the one jumping in, you know.
My days, bro.
I just 12 it.
What the heck, bro? It's because I like.
Hey, Scorpion just did like a 8-second hit select, bro.